Hi, Ann Sieg here, and in the next few minutes I'm going to share with you a little known strategy for creating quick bursts of cash flow and even turning it into a full-blown side business with a quick trip to your local store and using your smartphone. So here's 3 quick illustrations for you for people who use my 5-step retail flipping method. First off, there's Marvin Hooker. He started as an accountant at the time and working this very part-time. He was able to double his income and quit his job in his 5th month. Then there's Leslie Hamilton. Leslie started with $200, and by her 5th month, she had flipped that $200 to generate $36,000 in sales. Then there's Danita Zanre. Danita, in her 5th month, hit $39,000 in sales, and with that was able to retire her husband from his electrical engineering position, and now they live half the year in Italy. So here's what's going to happen next. I'm going to head into the store and do what's called a scanning session. And then I'm going to meet you back here at my car, and I'm going to break it all down for you right on my smartphone. You're going to look over my shoulder, and you're going to see the exact profits of those products. And you're going to discover how you can do this for yourself too, starting today. Hey, this is my shopping haul. So what we're going to do is I'm going to unload this in my car, and then we're going to use my calculator so you can see just how much money I'm going to make off of this shopping haul. All right, I have all my bags unloaded in the back of my car, and I'm going to scan about 3 of them. I have all told about 15 products at minimum. With a stack of just going through 6 of them, I'm at about $230 profit already. Okay, so I need to let you know, we're going to be selling these products through Amazon.com. You probably heard of Amazon. They have a customer base of 280 million people. Now here's what you probably didn't know, and that is 50% of the products that are sold through Amazon.com are sold through third-party sellers, just like me, just like Danita, Marvin, Leslie, and just like you. So we're going to come on in really close here, and I'm going to show you on my smartphone just exactly how this works. It is awesome when you see this. So this is step 1 of the 5-step retail flipping method. Step 1, or one of the steps, I should say. So here we go. All right, so you saw me scan that, and here it is. Go to the next page, and I have already inputted the cost, which I do in the store. The cost of that purchase was $9, and there you are with a $10.13 profit. I picked up 7 of these, so that's $70.91. There we go. Ba-boom. 1 product. Let's move on to another one. This is fun. Whoop. Did you see how fast that went? It just buzzes right through your hand. Here we go. And I'm going to go to the next page, and here again, I already inputted the cost of purchase in at $5.75. I have 15 of these. That is $86.25. See the green? Green means money, your profit. You know this in the store. I bought it because of these numbers, right? And here's another fun one. And this is probably going to be the last one, because then I got to share with you a whole bunch of awesome case studies and exactly how you can get started today as I show you the steps that are involved here with my 5-step retail flipping method. So here we go. And I think I bought 5 of these. All right, look at that. Look close, look close. Okay, $5.88. And let's see, I picked up 5 of those. That's $29.40. Now, I have a whole bunch of other products here. These are awesome. Probably the one that gave me the highest ROI are my notebooks. Gave me a 300% ROI, return on investment. And they had probably 300 or 400 of these. No, I didn't buy them all. But these are really a fantastic return on investment. Speaking of which, when you put your money in the bank and you get your annual interest rate, it's 1%. We get very typically 100% return on our profit when we invest in the products to then sell on Amazon. So we're going to dive into my computer. I want to just share with you some case studies that come from my private mastermind group that you will be a member of, where you can get your questions answered, your service 24/7. It's really awesome. But I want you to see the success stories. They are pretty mind-blowing. So let's dive in.